welcome back to my channel. Today's just gonna be like a day in the life. It's Saturday. It is 10:02 and my friend and I are going out. So I bought a bag, and like I bought it online. I bought a very cute bag. So it arrived this morning, so I bought water, right, as well. So the water obviously from two different companies. The water I got from Coupang, and the bag is from Michael Kors. It comes with this little duster, and wait, let me take it out. It's so pretty, guys. So this is the bag. This is the bag, guys. It's so pretty. It has a strap, and it comes with this cute little Michael Kors thing. What I love about this bag, and I didn't even know when I bought it, that it has like little card holders inside, so I don't need to carry like a wallet or anything. I just need to put my card in here for the subway, which is great. And then it has a little pocket over here, but it's really cute. I don't know what it's called. I'll put down the link. It was on sale, so yeah, I'll put down the link for the bag in the description. I'm not sure it's still on sale for that price that I got it for, but it's very cute. It's worth it. It's so pretty, and I think that it's gonna look nice. Guys, please tell me that it looks nice with this pink that I'm wearing. I got this from Shein, and I got these from Shein, and I got this from Shein. It's a headscarf. But yeah, so I'm gonna wear my bag for the first time today. It is so cute, guys. Oh, even so, the straps even say like Michael Kors. I don't even know if you guys can see, but the strap says Michael Kors. I've just written in a small kind of font, but it's really cute. It's very cute. I love it, and it's gonna fit like my camera. Where's my Polaroid? Hold on. My boyfriend bought me a Polaroid for Christmas, and I like to take it so just like I can take like pictures like for like memory's sake. So I'm pretty sure it can fit my Polaroid. Hold on. Okay, so I found my Polaroid. Isn't it so cute? Polaroid. Yeah, it's very cute. It does little square Polaroid, like old school Polaroid pictures. Please, this is gonna fit my Polaroid perfectly, and my cellular devices, my lip gloss. Like, I still have a lot of space. Like, this is great. This is great. This is so cute. So I'm gonna wear my bag today, and yeah, we're just gonna go and walk around. It's like autumn right now, so the leaves are changing. It's getting cold. It's gonna be cold. Like next week we're going into like single digits, like high of single digits and negatives, lows. So we're just like, let's just take advantage of the last week or two of warm-ish weather. Today it's supposed to be like a maximum of 23, probably around a 15 real feel. But yeah, so let's go on. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, floating through the sky, little Einstein. I think that's the wrong thing. Yes, no, it's right, but what's the right one? The one that I was actually the song I was actually for is Dora, Dora, Dora the Explorer. We're being Dora the Explorers today, and we're exploring Daejeon. Yeah.
That's okay.
It's like our daily bread. Okay, wait. Do you think they can see us like
The boogeyman doesn't speak English here, so they don't really talk to us. Do they have a boogeyman? Absolutely. Absolutely.
No, but I don't know where we are.
Same.
I actually think...
I'm actually following this couple. I don't know about you. I don't know where they're going.
I don't know if they're going to something
No,
down.
definitely not. These ones are not going to Shamshingdang. Oh, you know what? I just had a bright idea.
Oh yeah, I was... Yeah,
GPS.
can we actually do that?
Can we
Because
stop acting like...
we don't know where we are. This place is so cute. There I am.
Peach aid. Peach. It's just Sprite with peach syrup.
Yeah. I hope this is not sweet.
Yep. Spiking your glucose.
Yeah, no. I need to get some water.
It's not sweet.
Let's taste this.
Ooh, the peach is sweet. Oh, it's not sweet at all.
No, the peach is sweet.
Oh, that's lovely.
It's nice, but it's just too sweet.
It's very sweet.
I'm gonna get some water
With some tequila?
Yeah.
Something to maybe join for me. Something to connect there.
Not
How nice though? It's not sweet at all.
It's nice, but if you mix the bottom, it's nice. But the peach is nice. Wow. Oh, wait, let me get our utensils.
What? Do you have to get them somewhere else? They have forks. So we can. I'm so impressed. It's not sweet. Oh,
The peach is sweet at the bottom. I might need to buy winter Crocs because what do you mean? These are so cute and it's like fluffy inside. Oh my gosh, they are very cute. They're the only cute ones that I would buy because wow, I mean I do already have a lot of Crocs, so that's a problem.
He was telling me about the ones kid.
How cute is this little florist? They're so cute. It's been like that always.
Photo studio that time. I mean,
No, literally.
that's
Guys,
hilarious.
people in Korea are obsessed with MBTI.
Why don't we ever do these?
MBTI, but I don't think this is an MBTI one. But there's like specific MBTI ones,
Well, is this like
and then
your birth
you buy like
I'm a monkey.
your birth animal. Yeah,
I'm a monkey. No, I'm the rat. I'm the rat.
you buy one of these things, you put money in it, and then it's like a fortune thing. But yeah, it's crazy. So this is like a birth year situation, and then there's an MBTI one.